The sun rises slowly over a lush prehistoric landscape in the late Jurassic, 150 million years ago. The first rays of light pierce through the thick morning mist, illuminating a world both ancient and teeming with life. The air is cool and heavy with the scent of damp earth and growing things, a reminder of the untamed wilderness that once covered the planet. Giant ferns and towering conifers cast deep, shifting shadows across the forest floor, their leaves glistening with dew. The air buzzes with ancient insects, their wings catching the sunlight as they dart between the plants. This is a world where every sound and movement hints at hidden life, and every corner of the forest is alive with activity. In this vibrant world, a hungry Ceratosaurus stirs from its rest and begins its day. Its powerful muscles ripple beneath scaly skin as it rises, alert and driven by hunger. It moves silently through the dense undergrowth, nose to the ground, searching for any sign of food. Each step is careful, calculated, as it navigates the tangled vegetation, senses sharp and focused. The Ceratosaurus hasn't eaten in days and its ribs show beneath its skin. It needs to find a meal soon to survive, and every moment without food makes it more desperate. It heads toward a nearby river, a lifeline in this ancient world, where prey often gathers to drink. The sound of water draws it onward, hope rising with each step. A small dinosaur suddenly darts away through the ferns, but Ceratosaurus barely glances at it. It is searching for something bigger, something worth the effort of the hunt. At the riverbank, a herd of nervous Dryosaurus drink, their heads snapping up at every sound. They are always watchful, knowing danger could strike at any moment. The hunter waits, patient and still, blending into the shadows. It knows that patience is often rewarded in this world. Suddenly, a new scent drifts on the breeze, a fresh carcass nearby. The Ceratosaurus lifts its head, nostrils flaring as it pinpoints the source. Abandoning the hunt, Ceratosaurus follows the smell, moving quickly and purposefully through the tall ferns. Scavenging is often a smarter, safer way to survive in this harsh world. Scavenging is a smart way to save precious energy, especially when the next meal is never guaranteed. In the Jurassic, survival often means taking advantage of every opportunity. As it nears the carcass, it slows, ears and eyes alert. Other animals are already feeding, and danger could be lurking nearby. Caution is key. Competition is fierce, and a careless move could mean injury or worse. Peering through the leaves, it spots a dead Stegosaurus, its massive body surrounded by smaller carnivores feasting on the remains. Ceratosaurus is larger and stronger than these rivals, its presence alone enough to inspire fear. With a deep, rumbling growl, it steps boldly into the clearing, announcing its claim to the prize. The smaller predators scatter in all directions, unwilling to challenge the dominant hunter for the meal. For now, Ceratosaurus eats in peace, savoring the hard-won meal as the forest comes alive around it. Every meal is a victory in this world of giants, a brief moment of triumph in a life filled with challenges. This is just one moment in the life of a Jurassic predator, a fleeting glimpse into a world long vanished where survival is never guaranteed, and every dawn brings new challenges and new opportunities. Ceratosaurus was a striking dinosaur, instantly recognizable by the large horn on its snout. This horn, which gave the dinosaur its name, was one of its most distinctive features and likely played a role in both display and possibly even combat with rivals or predators. In addition to the main nasal horn, Ceratosaurus had two smaller ridges above its eyes, giving its face a fierce and unusual appearance. It was a medium-sized predator, measuring about 6 to 7 meters long, roughly the length of a large car. This size made it agile enough to hunt a variety of prey, but still large enough to be a threat to other dinosaurs. Its body was muscular and streamlined, built for hunting with strong back legs that allowed it to run quickly, and sharp claws for grasping prey. Unlike most other theropods, which usually had 3 fingers, Ceratosaurus had 4 fingers on each hand, a primitive trait that set it apart from its relatives. Its skin was bumpy and tough, covered in small bony plates called osteoderms that may have offered extra protection from bites or injuries. The head was large and powerful, filled with long blade-like teeth that were perfect for slicing through the flesh of its prey. Its long, deep tail acted as a counterbalance, helping Ceratosaurus stay steady and agile while running, turning, or making quick movements during a hunt. All these features combined made Ceratosaurus a unique and efficient hunter, well adapted to its Jurassic environment and capable of taking on a variety of challenges. The prominent horns may have been brightly colored, possibly used for attracting mates or intimidating rivals, adding to its dramatic appearance. Its distinctive look, with the combination of horns, ridges, and unique hand structure, truly sets it apart from other Jurassic predators. Ceratosaurus was not the biggest predator of its time, but its special adaptations, like its horn, teeth, and agility, made it a formidable and successful carnivore. With its dramatic features and powerful build, Ceratosaurus remains one of the most recognizable and fascinating dinosaurs of the Jurassic era. Ceratosaurus lived in the late Jurassic, about 155 to 145 million years ago. Its fossils are most famously found in the Morrison Formation of the western United States. Back then, this region was a lush floodplain with rivers, lakes, and dense forests. Ceratosaurus shared its world with giants like Diplodocus, Brachiosaurus, and Stegosaurus. It wasn't the only predator. Allosaurus and Torvosaurus were bigger and more common. To survive, Ceratosaurus had to carve out its own niche. Fossils suggest it may have also lived in Portugal and possibly Africa, showing its adaptability. The spread of Ceratosaurus fossils hints at a successful, wide-ranging predator. It thrived as a mid-sized hunter in a land of giants. The horn on Ceratosaurus's snout is its most famous and eye-catching feature, instantly setting it apart from other Jurassic predators. This single blade-like horn has fascinated paleontologists and dinosaur fans alike for generations. Early scientists once believed the horn was a dangerous weapon, perhaps used in fierce combat. However, the horn's thin, fragile bone structure suggests it wasn't built for fighting or ramming into rivals. Today, most experts think the horn served a different purpose: display. Much like a peacock's feathers or a deer's antlers, the Ceratosaurus horn may have been used to show off, impressing potential mates or intimidating rivals without violence. The horn could have helped Ceratosaurus attract mates, signal strength, or even allowed individuals to recognize members of their own species in the wild. Some scientists even suggest the horn was brightly colored, making Ceratosaurus even more striking and visible in its lush, Jurassic environment. The two smaller ridges above its eyes added to its unique, almost dramatic look, giving Ceratosaurus a fierce and memorable face. These features may have played a key role in social interactions, perhaps helping Ceratosaurus avoid dangerous fights by settling disputes through impressive displays and non-lethal contests. Ceratosaurus also had a row of bony plates running along its back, which may have offered some protection or served as another form of display to make it look even more formidable. Its four-fingered hands are a rare trait among theropods, marking Ceratosaurus as part of an ancient and primitive dinosaur lineage. The horn, along with these other unique features, makes Ceratosaurus a true living fossil of its time, a survivor from an earlier age. Its bold appearance tells a story of both survival and showmanship, blending ancient traits with dramatic flair. Even today, the Ceratosaurus horn remains a symbol of Jurassic mystery, sparking curiosity and debate about its true purpose in the ancient world. Ceratosaurus was a meat-eater, built for hunting and scavenging. Its strong legs and sharp teeth made it a fast, agile predator. It likely hunted smaller dinosaurs like Dryosaurus and Camptosaurus, and may have targeted young or weak larger species. Fossil evidence shows it was an active predator, leaving tooth marks on the bones of its prey. Some scientists think Ceratosaurus also hunted aquatic animals, using its flexible body and powerful tail to catch fish and crocodiles. This strategy would have reduced competition with larger land predators like Allosaurus. Ceratosaurus was also a scavenger, taking advantage of any easy meal it found. Its teeth have been found with many types of dinosaur bones, showing a broad diet. It was an opportunist, eating whatever it could catch or find. This adaptability helped it survive in a competitive world. Ceratosaurus was a versatile and resourceful Jurassic carnivore. Life in the late Jurassic was tough, especially for a mid-sized predator. Ceratosaurus shared its world with larger carnivores like Allosaurus. To survive, it likely hunted in different areas, dense forests and riverbanks, where its agility gave it an edge. It may have specialized in different prey, including aquatic animals, to avoid direct competition. Its bony backplates offered some protection in fights. Ceratosaurus might have sometimes hunted in pairs or small groups, increasing its chances of success. Its greatest strength was adaptability, hunting, scavenging, and exploiting new opportunities. In a world of giants, Ceratosaurus found its own path. It was not the biggest, but it was clever and versatile. Adaptation, not size, was the key to its survival. Ceratosaurus is a treasure for paleontologists. Its unique features, horn, four-fingered hands, bony plates, show a different evolutionary path from other Jurassic predators. Several nearly complete skeletons have been found, allowing scientists to study its anatomy in detail. This helps us understand how it moved, hunted, and lived. Ceratosaurus reveals the diversity of Jurassic predators, challenging the idea that Allosaurus was the only big hunter. Its fossils help reconstruct the ancient food web and ecosystem of the Morrison Formation. The ongoing debate about its horn shows how science evolves with new discoveries. Ceratosaurus reminds us that dinosaurs were complex, social animals, not just monsters. Its story continues to inspire research and curiosity. Ceratosaurus is a window into the lost world of the Jurassic. Ceratosaurus stands out as one of the Jurassic's most fascinating dinosaurs. Its distinctive horns and bumpy armor made it unique among predators. It was a versatile hunter, able to chase prey on land, hunt in water, and scavenge when needed. Ceratosaurus belonged to an ancient branch of theropods, retaining primitive features lost by others. Its success shows that evolution is full of surprises and diverse solutions. The legacy of Ceratosaurus is one of survival, adaptation, and mystery. Every fossil tells a story of a creature that thrived in a world of giants. Ceratosaurus continues to capture our imagination, reminding us how strange and wonderful the age of dinosaurs truly was.